My name is Anokobina Asa, a member of Group 8.
I am Audrey Samuel, the member two.
Okay, I'm Aka Kojobotu, a group member of Group 8.
Okay, I'm Eugene Opondia, a group member of Group 8.
I am Benesedu Gijo, also a member of Group 8, and I'll begin with the presentation. So Group 8 worked on issue report system. This is our project outline. Step 1, problem identification. Step 2, finding the solution. Step 3, code languages or tools used. Step 4, features of the project. Rollout 5 or Step 5, feature update. Under the problem identification, we covered the current problems and how we solve the problem. In Ghana, citizens face challenges reporting and tracking local issues such as infrastructure damage or public service disruptions due to insufficient reporting systems and lack of transparency. This highlights the need for a digital solution that enables citizens to easily report issues, track progress, and receive updates, while also providing government agencies with a platform to manage and prioritize these issues effectively. Well, step two, finding a solution. We covered solution design, solution features, why the solution is needed. issueOS platform is designed to facilitate efficient issue reporting and management. Key features include one, multimedia reporting, that's images and videos. Two, GPS-based location tagging. Three, communication for updates and feedback. Four, real-time tracking of report status. The third step, coding languages and tools used. We covered back-end development, front-end development, and database. Code languages and tools used. For the back-end, we use PHP with Laravel framework, Filament PHP for admin panel front-end, Laravel Blade template used in conjunction with Filament PHP. UI HTML for structure, CSS for styling. Database MySQL SQL for data storage. This stack leverages Filament PHP's simplicity for admin interfaces, Laravel's robustness for back-end logic, and flexibility for front-end development. Step 4, features of the project. We covered media uploads, location tagging, department tagging, status tracking, admin panel. Project features, media, reporting capabilities, that is images and videos to provide visual documentation of issues. GPS-based location, location tagging to accurately identify issues location. Real-time tracking of report status, allowing citizens to monitor progress. Two-way communication enables citizens to receive updates on status of their reports and provide feedback. Extra features of project. One, department tagging for routing reports. Two, status tracking, that is pending, in progress or resolved. Feedback mechanisms between citizens and departments. Admin panel for report management, that is Laravel filament. Future updates. We will cover notification, real-time communication, user-friendly interface, public account access, appointment scheduling. 6. Mobile application. These are our group members.
I am Samuel, continuing from where my sister ended. This is our ER diagram for the system that we developed. We have three entities in our diagram, and that's the admin, the department, and then the issue. With the attributes of the admin, we have the password and the email. That's if the admin wants to log in. These are the attributes or what he needs to go to in order to access the dashboard. And we have the admin, that's with the double ellipsis and then the password. And with the department, to be able to make an issue, we need your ID and then the password. That's the ID becomes the key attribute over here. And also with the issue, you have the title of the issue, the description, and then the date that the issue was reported. And then it's not any person who can make the issue. That it should be either maybe taking a Greater Accra region here, the constituency where the issue is. So the constituency will make the report. So with the relationship between the diagram, the admin manages the issue. That's after the department makes the issue. The admin will log in and then to get access to the issue. So that's all about our ER diagram.
Okay. So this is the homepage of the issueOS where reports are being made, and you can see we have public reports and how it works. So everything you need to know, where you upload your photo and video, your GPS location tracking, real-time status updates, department routing, two-way communication, and the admin dashboard. Before you issue a report, there are some processes you pass through, and you take a photo and describe the problem you have, and you select the location so that it will be easily accessed. After that, your report will be sent to the government department based on the issue type, and then you will be able to track your progress through the our website, and the issue will be resolved as soon as we get hold of it. For example, being a GCTU student and you want to know the issues and reports going on, you have to click on the public reports. Then you'll be able to view the reports that are being made. These are some list of reports being made which you can view: water pipeline broken, major pothole, bad road, and street light damages. We have the status of the report, whether it's been on pending, it's in progress, or it's been resolved by the people. So let's view the resolved one, and let me take you through. With this, you have your report ID just below the issue on which you reported, and the description too is about a pothole causing traffic, and your location, your address, your region, your district, and your coordinates for a proper, yes,
Mapping to the
proper
location.
mapping
Yeah.
to make yes, to make the location easily accessible. So we can click on the coordinates to see where exactly we are having the issue to
Mm-hmm.
make it to be resolved. And you can add some attachments, that's a photo of it, to show what is going on at the reported site. And you move to my far right, you can see report info, and we have the category, the department, report at, that's the day you made the report and the last update of which the report was attended to. And the reporter can give us his or her info, that's the name, that's Asamoah, the email, and the phone number for us to maybe update him or her on the issue, whether it's been resolved or not. The reporter can either choose to report the issue anonymously or be open to our system for us to get to him or her. Right after that, we will be updating you through our system, whether the issue is on pending or it's being resolved or something. So with this, the issue has been resolved and we got back to him or her July 8, 2025, 10:26 a.m. exactly. With the views, you can allocate it at the far right, next to the back to reports, which shows the number of people who have visited this page to see what's going on.
So this is the main admin interface where issues can be reported and being tracked. And this section is for the appointed person or the person who is in charge of reporting issues. Currently, not everybody can report issues. Basically, the appointed person who is in charge of reporting issues. So they can create issue and also monitor the issues that they reported, but they will not be able to see all the issues going on the system. When we go to the admin system, here we can see all the issues that has been going on, and this section report the status of the issue. You can see the pending section. We have two pending, and we have in progress, we have one, and resolved issue have one. And at this section, you can see the number of reports that has been reported. Let's say if you want to make a report, we come to report issues. Right now, this section is not working, but this side is a prototype of the appointed person or the department or the person reporting the issue. It will work basically the same as how we are going to report an issue. Let's take it as this is the appointed person's dashboard and they want to make an issue. First of all, they will click on new issue report. Once we get to the create issue report, we can see all the details that my fellow colleague touched on, which is the report ID. The report ID, that one is automatically generated, so there's no need to add a report ID. And let's take through if you want to make a new report. We got a notification saying the report has been created. And as you can see, the ID has been automatically generated. And these are the info about the issue. Refresh the page. Okay, so this is the issue that we logged on our backend, and this is the issue showing at the front end. As you can see, currently nobody has viewed this report, so it's saying 0 views. So once we click on view, it will take us to the main details where we can find what is going on in this issue. At this main page, you can see the info or the complaint that we logged. All the details are shown here, as well as the attachment and also the coordinates that we logged. And at this section, we can see the reporter info. It is showing, and the view. Since we've been able to view this page, it's been the view has been counted, and we have one view over here, or views. And let's say if you want to update the same issue that we logged, and when you come to this same section, you can see all the info or the reports being logged, or you can just edit it right here. But I wanted to show the overall report. These are the available reports that we have in our system: report ID, title, the status, the priority, the category, the department, the address, and the anonymous section. So with this anonymous section, this side it is showing that the issue is public and we can see the reporter's details. So that's why this section is red. But let's change it to anonymous and see how it works. And currently, since the issue is pending, there's no updates available right now. So once we open, you can make some changes and see. So currently, let's change from pending to in progress. And the anonymous report to let's turn it on and see how it works. Then we save. Okay. Now changes has been made and let's see what happens at the front end. Let's refresh the report. You can see the changes that we made are working right here. We changed the status from pending to progress, and the anonymous report that we turned it on. Right now the reporter info is not showing and it says this report was submitted anonymously, and the updates has been logged, like work has begun on this report that is pending. And you can see the views has been added because this is the second time I'm viewing this page. I think overall that's what we have right now. Charlie, what's next?